the Mulimba, to our traditions we shall return. To the marimba in the Kisan, we shall return. To the rhythms and the bam bam bonfires, we shall return. To our beautiful Angola, homeland, we shall return. To our land in our mother, we shall return. Liberated, we shall liberated Angola. Yeah, independent Africa. Yeah, Angola, oh diaspora. Celebrating the women of Africa. Started Oma. Gonna shoot in the whole Angola. Now I know us. Wanna shoot in the mother in Africa. Yeah. Listen.